trying for a little bit of recovery in here. We're looking at Tesla here on the weekly chart. 435 is where we're trading at, up around $4.50 from yesterday's close. IV rank still sitting at 8, right around a $7 expected move priced in by tomorrow's expiration at 4 o'clock. We're going to see what happens here and how we're going to end up with this weekly candle. So we got 3 red candles in here in a row. And basically, your wicks on either side of this candle are basically even. Your body's basically even in here. So we're going to see how tomorrow ends, and that's going to skew things one way or another for us in here probably. So to the upside, what are we looking at? Well, we have a 9-day EMA sitting here at 443. We also have that 441 level that we're trading below as well. Those are going to be 2 key areas in here that we're going to watch. Anything above there, 450, 455, until we get all the way up here to 465. Now, to the downside, what are we looking at? Well, obviously, this low in here that we have so far on the week, right around that 425 mark, is going to be a key for us. And then below there, we're going to be looking at this lower trend line, which is down here right around that 418, 419 area. Then below there, we're looking at 414.50. Now, our RSI is basically neutral in here. We are a little bit above average at 55, but we're just going to be keeping an eye on that as well. So nothing really to kind of hold us back from getting a little pop in here tomorrow. So let's see what happens overall with the overall markets and how Tesla and the big boys start correlating with each other and the overall markets in here. We mentioned that there is an $7 expected move priced in by tomorrow's expiration. Next Friday, it looks like options traders are pricing in right around a $19 expected move, followed by 25 the following Friday. And if you go all the way out to the end of January, the 30th, it looks like options traders are pricing in and expecting a $38.81 expected move, and that's going to contain your earnings cycle. So remember, coming up at the end of the month, all the tech basically is going to start reporting their earnings in here. So expect a lot of volatility as we get closer to that earnings report. Basically, and for all of tech, because our IV is relatively low compared to itself on all these stocks over the past year. So expect a little expansion as we get closer to that earnings report. But again, overall on Tesla, what are we looking at in here? We want to see a nice breach and hold of the 441, head up to that 443 tomorrow, and then we'll go on from there. To the downside in here, we're watching 425, and then this 420, or I'm sorry, the 419, 418 mark down here, which is our lower trend line. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.